What's going on, guys? Today we are at the South Fork Eagle River Trailhead. We are with our my brothers here today. We are going to be hiking to the Symphony Lake. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong, but it's gonna be my first time hiking there. It's gonna be a 12-mile hike, so it is gonna be a trip, guys. We are gonna be hiking into the wilderness, so I want you guys to come along with my adventure. I feel like it's gonna be cool. We got we got our backpack all fitted. We got our fishing pole. We got a strapped up, you know. We're gonna go up there and try to fish for some graylings. I heard that there was graylings up there, and guys, graylings are so beautiful and they are on my bucket list. So I have to go to the Symphony Lake and catch me a grayling, guys. So like I said, I didn't even read the map. We are just gonna wing it. We're just gonna I feel like it's pretty popular trail, so there should be signs to help us to get to the lake. But it is 12. Oh, look at that dog. You guys are scared. There's a dog out here, guys. What is that? Is that a bear?
Yeah, it has to be.
Nice, big. Look, guys, there's a dog here. Hi, doggy. We're just gonna walk past you, okay? Come on. Let's walk. That's it. But yeah, I went with my brothers. Let's get this trip going, guys. Ooh, you're a big dog. So we got a big old husky following us. You think it's bigger than me? Hi. Oh shoot. You wanna go with us? What's your owner at? Guys, so far we met a lot of random dogs that ran up to us so far. Man, my legs are getting tired. We just started, guys.
Yeah, I think I should get water. I'm gonna get water. I don't know.
Oh man, I am so out of shape, guys. Woo! I am out of shape. We just barely started, not even 10 minutes into it. I was first, and now I'm last. Oh, my legs are burning. We are definitely going up the mountain. Hey, you know me, man. I may be getting old, but I ain't gonna give up. Whew. Let's keep going. You don't want it, go. Do it.
Yeah, do it. You know, you're not put at his mouth. Yeah, there you go.
He's hungry. What? You wasting water, bro? Why you just keep pouring?
Yo, he's still going.
Dude, he's eating grass.
He don't get water,
I think he's trying to survive off the grass, guys. Hey, what's your name, buddy? What's your name? Togo. Tugo. Is it Tugo or Togo? Hey, man, we gotta call your number on there. Come here. Togo. Yeah. Alright, guys, we gotta call the owner.
Hello?
Hi. Are you missing your husky?
Yeah.
Yeah, your husky. We found him all up the trail. We were hiking to the Symphony Lake, and we found him all up here in the trail.
Is he following you still?
Yes, he won't go back.
Okay. We live right near the trail.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you saw me coming out with the other dogs?
Oh yeah, he's following us. He won't go back.
Yeah.
And we're already.
Yeah, he'll probably just follow you. That's okay. He knows his way back.
Okay, yeah, that's totally fine. We'll make sure if he does follow us, we'll make sure he's good.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. And just call me back if you have any questions. If he doesn't come back with something, I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Bye.
Right. Yeah. Thanks. Bye bye.
I guess we're going.
Yeah, heard that. I guess we're taking care of the dog for right now. He's going with us. We're going a 12-mile hike. I don't know if he can make it, but hey, you heard the owner. He know his way back home, so I guess he's a veteran. He's a veteran over here. Huh?
But bigger.
Yeah, he look like my old dog, but he's a big one. But here we are now, guys. So nice out here. Hey, doggy. You wanna go with us? Wanna go with us? Alright, guys, we are entering the thick of it, guys. Woo! Keep your eyes peeled. Listen to any unfamiliar noises. But I feel like we're pretty safe, man. We got this big old wolf dog with us. Check this. And we got this guy over here. Oh, using from bait.
Wow.
We got the sun about to come over the mountain right there. So it is currently, let's see, guys, 7:11 right now. So let's see how long it takes. Okay, 7:11. Let's see how long it takes us to reach the lake, guys. Whew. Okay, so far it has been really steady. It was just a hike up here that we had to climb up, but so far the trail has been just, you know, straight shot. But wow, it is so beautiful out here. Really beautiful, guys. Wow. And you know, when you're hiking like this, your body is hot, so the wind blowing, everything is just kind of balancing out. You know, the only thing I'm hoping for is, you know, for it not to rain. If it doesn't rain, I could do this weather, man. This weather is beautiful. You know, it's hot right now. I'm burning, and the wind is calming me down. It's cooling me down. But so far it's looking good. We are gonna see how far we are. So that's how far we are right now. We started right there, parked car. Focus. We started right there, walk up this trail right here, and now we are right here. We still have a long way to go. See y'all there. Guys, sorry, I'm gonna keep saying it, but I've been wanting to do this, man. This is really a knock off my bucket list. Whoa, check out this. Come into a clear view. Guys, we are gonna be hiking straight all the way past those mountains. We are gonna go all the way over there. Just to the left of us, down there, right there, we have a river right to our left. So I'm guessing we're gonna take this trail, go down, we're gonna hit a bridge, and I'm guessing it is gonna be beautiful. But yes, guys, stay tuned. Watch until we, you know, just watch, guys. It's gonna be so beautiful. It's gonna be an epic adventure. We're gonna get up there, catch some graylings, man. You know, do a little catch and cook, try a grayling for the first time. Oh my god. Let's go, guys. Let's make this trip worth it. Probably gonna be the first and last time I get to do this in a long time, because if some of you guys didn't know, I am having my third child, so I'm gonna be taking a little break. But hey, at least I get to go a little hiking trip with my brothers. These are all my brothers right here. Taking one little trip. Where you going, Togo? Togo. He like, I ain't listening to you. I'm the one leading Yellow. He's going to the front. He's leading us. I believe in that dog. All right, guys. I think we made it into a little checkpoint here. Here we go. That's where we going. Woo. Let's take a little break. This is my brother Evan. What's up, Evan?
What's up, man?
So Isaac, Jeremy, Chum. Woo. And our special guest, Togo. What's up, boy? Hi. Hey. He's a good dog. He's a good dog. Let's rest a little bit, Togo. You want water? Oh, you'll take a little water there. Woo. Good boy.
Okay.
Togo. We are coming upon the river right now. Woo, it looks so nice. I told you we came from this shore right here. We were up in that mountain, walking alongside that mountain right there. So we made it pretty far, guys. I could say that we are halfway here. Wow. Togo, lead us the way. Woohoo! This is so nice, guys. This is so nice. Let's get down there. This just made my energy rise right here, guys. It really did. Woo! Let's get it. Oh yeah, we made it. Let's go. Togo, get out the water. Wow, guys, this is just a spectacular view. Woo! Listen to the water. It is so beautiful out here. Oh my God. Look at my brother just tossing his rod out, just trying. But the water is a little too fast. But hey, it doesn't hurt to try. You never know, it might be one lurking down there. But man, I say that we are at the halfway mark, guys. So we still got a little long way to go. Oh my God, it is so beautiful out here. If you guys are from around Anchorage, Alaska, anywhere, this is just an Eagle River, guys. Come check this place out. It's a 12-mile hike. It is so awesome, and it's not even that bad. It's not even bad at all. You know, like I said, at some point you gotta go uphill, but majority of the time it's just a straight shot, guys. And guys, I'm telling you, I really recommend this place. Come check it out for the first time experience, first time. You know, I love it here. It's so nice. I just cannot wait to get to the lake, guys. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Woo! One last look before we head out. Oh my God. It is so clear, guys. Check this water out. Oh my God, that is so clean. We can cross over there, guys. Wow. This is natural Spring Creek water right here. That is so beautiful water. I want to drink it one time. All right, let's go. Wow, check out this place. Oh my God, look at this water. That is clean water, guys. Alright, let's catch up with the rest of the group. Woo! Oh look, we're coming upon some steps here, guys. Togo, lead us the way. So beautiful. So beautiful, guys. So far, I have not seen any bear tracks so far. I've been looking on the ground. Alright guys, it is time to do some uphills. Oh, my calf muscles burning. Damn. Woo! That was an incline right there. Oh my God. I am sweaty, guys. I am so sweaty. Woo! Tired. I'm the last one now. I'm the last one. I'm getting old, man. These young bucks, they're wearing Crocs. Can you believe that? They're wearing Crocs. And they're up ahead of me. These guys, man. Whew. Are you guys walking to the lake also?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, we are. Oh, Togo. Yep, Togo hanging out with us. This is so beautiful out here. Hopefully next year I can bring my wife out here next year. Oh, he scared me. Togo running out the woods. Out here was like huffing and puffing. I thought a freaking bear was charging at me. Togo, you hear that? Oh my God, he was scaring me. Oh, first victim. And I was recording, bro. Get up.
Oh my God.
Damn, boy. He slipped. You good, bro? You just gonna fall down the mountain. First victim. Got it on video too. Oh, climbing uphill. Woo! Yeah. That is so nice. Let's keep going, guys. Alright, guys, so we started hiking at 7 o'clock. That's when we started hiking, and it is currently 8:36. So we've been hiking for an hour and 46 minutes. Not bad, guys. An hour and 46 minutes, and I say we're almost there. I say less than an hour we'll be there. So I'm not quite sure. I haven't looked at the map yet, but I have a feeling we are close by. This is definitely gonna be a hike that I'm gonna remember for the rest of my life, man. Just me and my brothers just out, just trying to get to the lake, man. Catch our grayling, knock it off our bucket list that we call a grayling in our life, man. And you know what's next on the bucket list? We gotta catch a pike. So I gotta go find a lake that has a pike, that have pikes, man. Catch me a pike. Alright, guys, we are almost there. Right there, we're almost there. So we gotta get out of this marsh though, because these mosquitoes are attacking us. Oh! Alright, guys, we were kind of following those guys over there, but they say that they went the wrong way. So it looks like our feet's gonna have to get wet because we went the wrong direction. So I guess the direction is we had to go past that to the other side, the trail. Oh, right there. There's a trail. There we go, right there. But we're gonna get our feet wet.
Oh, that's in there.
Okay, everybody go. We'll record.
Hey, you got Crocs, but you don't lose your Crocs.
Y'all gonna have wet feet now.
What? Go over. You don't hesitate.
Alright, guys, for me. Oh shit. Yo, for me, I'm gonna jump over here, guys. Look, y'all see that little thing right there? I'm jumping over there. Oh, all right. I'll jump it over here, right there. Oh yeah, no getting wet. No getting wet. Yup, our feet is dry. Look at this. We gotta cross all that. We went the wrong path, y'all. All right, we're back on track now, I think. We don't have Togo no more. Togo's with them over there. Alright guys, we are almost there. You guys see the little ridge right there? I'm guessing it's right over that ridge. Yeah, check around us. So beautiful. Almost there, guys. Almost there. Alright guys. So tiring. Guys, if you stop, you get attacked by the mosquitoes. So you only get like 5 seconds to stop and the mosquitoes are all swarming you. So you gotta keep on moving. These mosquitoes are no joke. They're trying to give every attempt they can to get some blood. Whew. Let me go first. Right here, look. See? Look. Yeah, you gotta step on the branches, look. See? Look, step on the bad branch right there. That one right there. Why you step in the water right there? Right there. Right there. Oh my god, y'all don't listen to me.
Oh my god.
So you go right here, just rock, and you go right here, and you jump over. Hey! Bro! Oh my god! Oh, yeah. Help him out, bro! and nobody push you, bro. And look, go on a rock. Hey, you shoot. Hey, you might as well go step in there. Told you. You don't listen to me. Yeah. Hey, he was trying to catch you. Backward. He just fell backward.
Oh my god.
Bro.
Oh my man.
Hey, I told him we need shoes. Look at this guy. He wearing Crocs. Look.
I'm still alive.
He wearing Crocs. He's still alive. Oh, what are you doing? He's walking in the bush.
Why you
Oh shoot. Oh my stomach, y'all. Y'all hella funny, y'all. Alright, that's good laugh. Let's get going. Alright guys. The road's getting sketchy. Getting sketchy, getting slippery. Alright guys. Woo! Yeah, we're gonna take a little break right here. Look at it. We still gotta go down here, go up that trail, and go over that little ridge right there. That's where we're gonna, after we go past that little point there, that's how far we're gonna know how far we're from the lake. But whew, we're tired, guys. It is currently 9:06, so it's been 2 hours. 2 hours that we've been hiking, and we made it this far, guys. And a lot of people told me that it takes at least 3 hours to 2 hours and 30 minutes to get here. Guys, it is currently 9 o'clock. That's 2 hours. We power walked our butt over here. Woo! Props to these guys. Crocs, all dirty. We good over here. Just these two. But yeah, we're almost there, guys. We're almost there. It's gonna be so worth it when we get there. The wind is not that bad right now. It's starting to pick up a little bit. I feel a little drops of rain, but it should be okay. It's to keep the mosquito away, guys. Earlier when we took the wrong way, I literally got like 6 bites in my hands and my arm, man. But when we come back out to the trail over here, it's windy. There's no mosquitoes out here, so it feels so good right now. Little breeze blowing. Look at this guy. He about to go sleep. Yay! We're almost there. Keep pushing. Woo! Guys, I think that big rock means something. It means checkpoint. Let's see. Please be here. It doesn't look like it. Oh my god. This is not it, guys. This is not it.
What's it?
Nah. Look, they're over there. Alright guys, we are currently right here. Right in the end of the lake right here. So this is the Eagle Lake. This is the Eagle Lake. And then right next to it is the Sympathy Lake. Right there. So we're already here. We gotta cross. We gotta cross over there. And it's like the second mountain. It's like we can see like a little bowl over there. A little bowl over there. So that's what the lake is at. Guys, oh my god. We are here. Let's go.
I'm ready to go fishing, man.
Yeah guys, even the Google map says that this whole entire water here is murky. So when we get to the top of there, we're gonna see this whole entire Eagle Lake. This is the end of it only. Kind of murky. I don't think there's any fish living among this water, like a body of water right here. See, the water's kind of murky. So let's keep going, guys. We're not quite there yet, but we are definitely here. Whew. Damn, guys. Wow. So beautiful. Woo! Okay guys, this is some tricky big boulders here. Big old rocks. You gotta choose wisely where you step. You don't want to injure yourself. We are a long way from help, guys. A long way. Look at this. We are literally inside a bowl up in a mountain. Can you believe that? That lake over there is literally inside the mountain. That's how cool this is. Like, all these water are from the snow up there. Like, oh my god, I just can't get over this. Let's keep moving. There's mosquitoes here. Can you believe that? Gosh. Alright guys, one last push up that mountain right there. The last mountain right there, we should reach the lake. Whew. Everybody's getting tired now. These guys getting tired. They're like, how come you guys didn't tell me it was this far? Yes, I did. I showed y'all the map. Alright guys, so come to find out that we was walking on those rocks for no reason. There was a path right here. We wasted so much energy climbing those big old rocks. We see the lake. You can see it. Oh god. Almost there, guys. We made it to the lake, y'all. Get it. I thought we would never be able to do it. Oh, our feet is killing us. Alright guys, we're gonna get down there, find a nice flat surface, and we're gonna rest up a little bit before throwing our lure out. Oh my god, it is so beautiful. Oh my god, the water over here is so much better. Come on, let's set up. Come on, right here, right there. Alright guys, we're gonna set up. I'm just gonna try to tie everybody on with a spinner. We're just gonna walk around and just trying to find where the fish are at. Oh, over there looks pretty nice over there too. Rock over there? Yeah, that's good. Too much rock over there. Alright guys, we gotta tie up. Hey look, Togo came back. Yo, Togo, where'd you go? You just left and came back. Hey, we gotta take you home, buddy. You gotta stick with us. You disappeared, man. Alright guys, so I got on a bobber, and these are one of the prizes that I won from Chia's little get together. I don't know what color should I go with. Go with this one with the little tail. Okay, so we're just gonna tie that on. Oh! Got a tick right there. Come back for it again. Please, come on. Got him! Oh, it came off! Oh, shoot! They're all right here. The small little hole right here, guys. I'm guessing these are really small fish. I cannot hook them on. Hey, Togo, yeah, get out the water, Togo. That fish? Oh, got a fish on! Oh! Oh, there's a grayling! Oh, let's go! Oh, shoot! I got a grayling! You got a salmon! You got a salmon! I got a grayling! Oh, shoot! Oh my god! My first grayling, y'all! My first ever grayling! You got one too? Let's go! Yo, we gotta take pictures! No way, yo! He got a salmon. He got a salmon. We got graylings. What? Oh, no.
Don't lose the food.
Yo, we hiked all the way here just for this. Oh my god. That is a grayling for you guys. Oh shoot.
Oh no.
I don't know.
Let's go. You got a salmon?
Yeah.
I mean, you got a trout, huh? Yo, that's your lunch. That's a trout, bro. He got a trout.
In there. You inside there.
Alright, guys. This is so cool. Let's get back out there and see if we can catch him again. Guys, it is our first time here, and I do really want to try how a grayling tastes like. Oh, a fish jumping. Yeah. I think we found a spot, guys. We found a spot. My brother found a spot. So let's see if we can catch any more. Oh, let's go. That's a big one. That's a big grayling right there. Oh my god, he's huge. Oh. Oh my god! It disappeared! Got him! There we go! Oh my god. Another grayling, y'all. Woo! Got one down right there.
Look at him. He's so interested.
Alright, guys. Alright, Kobe. Oh! That's a big one, y'all! Woo! Oh, yeah, that is a... Oh!
Oh, damn.
I just lost.
You right?
What's going on? This fish over here in this little puddle? Oh, bro, this thing is crystal clear. Yo, if we get If we get a bite over here, that would be insane. Oh, you see them? Oh shoot! Evan, stop making me excited! Oh, the salmon! It's a trout! It's a trout, bro! Oh shoot! But let me... Oh my god, he got a freaking trout! Dude! He got a trout! Oh, I got him too! Oh, the big... Oh! Let's go! Dude, there's trout over here, guys! Oh my god! What? Dude, yours is fatty though! Oh my god! Let's go! Let's go! Oh my god, guys, we are definitely eating. We are eating.
Your backpack, bro.
Oh my god. Alright guys, I'm gonna try to see if I can catch another one. There's trout inside these little pockets here. How is that even possible? Oh, fish on! What the heck? Oh my god, I didn't even know he came and bit it. Oh, it's a grayling! Oh, that's a big grayling! Right there. Oh my god, dude, this fish, this whole side. Dude, that giant grayling just came and hit mine. Guys, it's a big pocket, it's a big, huge hole over here. Okay, that's a big trout. Bro, what?
Bigger than bait.
Where'd you catch it? Where'd you catch it? Right. He a horse fighter or what? Oh.
Oh my god.
Yep. Fish on. Woohoo! It's such a beautiful fish. Now we only kept one to taste. We released all the other grayling we caught. We caught some trouts too, so we're gonna be trying the trout out. But all the graylings we caught, we let them all off. We let them all go. So we're only keeping one just to try. And no, release all the grayling. And then yep. Oh. All right, guys. What an amazing adventure we had today. Oh my god. We really made it here and we caught fish. And yeah, I caught my first grayling. And I am stoked, man. I don't know what to say. I'm speechless. It's like so beautiful out here. Oh my god. I just can't say it enough. But sadly, it's starting to get cold. You know, we're trying to help and get out of here before the next storm hit. It looks like another storm's coming, but we're gonna walk up there to the low, somewhere up there, and cook up some fish, and probably start heading up back home, guys. Oh, I don't want to think about going back home. Woo! But hey, man, if you guys made it this far, man, thank you guys for watching, man. Like I said, if you guys have not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, please, guys. I am doing a lot of adventure this year, seeing a bunch of new places. two of my brother already started walking up there already. My other two brothers still fishing back here. We still have the dog Togo with us. We're gonna make sure we take him back home, and once we take him back home, we're gonna call the owner and let him know that we brought the dog back safely. So that's gonna be the mission accomplished right there, to get back safely and to get Togo home safely also. He's still hanging out with us. He just chilling, hanging out with us. He really just left his pack and started walking with us and came all the way out here. He probably didn't want to go home. He probably wanted to come with us. But we gotta make sure we take him home safely though. We got kind of scared earlier because he kind of ran off with another group of people. But for some reason we didn't even see him at all. He disappeared. We didn't see him for like 30-40 minutes, and out of nowhere he popped out of nowhere, came right straight to us and just stayed with us this whole entire time. That's crazy, right? Like ever since this trip, so much thing has been happening. It's just so crazy. It's so fun. But it's time to go. It's time to go home, guys. Let's go cook up some fish and eat and get energized and start heading back home. All right, see you guys up top, man. Peace. All right, guys, we made it to this wooden shelter here. Whew. You guys see the little pond to the right there? I don't know how there's fish in there, but there's a lot of fish in there, guys. A lot of fish. But we're gonna come up here and just relax. Oh my god! Oh, this is beautiful. What? Oh my god. Check out this place. Yo, we could camp here. Let's start cooking. Alright guys, we're just gonna hang out now, rest our feet and legs a little bit, cook up some trout, and I think we got two slab of the grayling inside there. I'll pull it out in a bit, but we caught a bunch of trout, so we're cooking all the trout. Yeah, we're just gonna enjoy the beautiful moment and head on back, eat and get energized and head on back, guys. See ya. Alright guys, we got the trout all ready. I don't even know which one's the grayling now, man. Honestly, I really don't. But oh yeah, this is a piece of grayling right here for sure. Look at it. I chopped it to like 4 or 5 little pieces. So let's try. Alright guys, go ahead and dig in, guys. Go ahead. Alright guys, got a piece of grayling right there. Let's try it.
How you guys?
It tastes good. Yo, I'm not even gonna lie, that tastes pretty good. Wow. Yeah, I could definitely eat that. Alright guys, quick little break. Now it's the hard part. Let's go home, guys. Let's go home. Come on guys, let's ready?
Yep.
Alright guys, one last look before we leave. This beautiful, beautiful spot in the mountain. We will see you again. I'll be back. Alright guys, see you guys back at the car. It's gonna be a long venture back, y'all. Woo! Let's do it. Guys, We made it back. You don't understand. Oh my God, my feet's killing me. Woo! Oh my God. This is the longest, most tiring hike I ever did in my life, guys. 3:21.
Hello.
Hello. We made it back down a mountain, and we have Togo with us here.
Okay.
Do we just?
The parking-
Yeah, we're at the parking lot. Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna call my wife. She'll be right over there.
Okay.
Have a minute or so. Okay.
All right. Okay, that's fine. We'll stay here with him.
Okay. Thanks.
All right. Yep.
Thank you.
Where's he at? In case he leaves again. Let's go find him. Come here, boy. Where? You're a good boy. You call your mom and your dad. They're gonna pick you up, okay? You're a good boy. Call your mom and dad. You stay here with us, okay? They're gonna pick you up. Alright, guys. That's gonna be the end of it. I am so tired. We are gonna get undressed. We're gonna sit in the car, wait for Togo's mom and dad come pick him up, and head on home, guys. We're gonna go eat, go buy something to eat. Thank you guys for watching, man. That was such an amazing, crazy adventure. Guys, will you guys come again?
No.
Never again. Alright, guys. Peace out, man. We're just gonna wait for Togo to go home, and we're on out of here. Deuces. Hi, Togo. See ya, boy.
Sorry about that. Thank you for being so
Yeah.
kind.
He was such a good boy. He actually lead us. This is our first time here.
Okay.
So he actually took us there and back. He is such a good boy.
Well, thank you. Yeah. Well, thank
See
you
ya,
for being
boy.
so nice to him, and he's so friendly. And you were out there a long time.
Yeah, we were. Oh, we were so tired.
yeah,
We went all to the lake and we came back.
Oh
all the
my
way to the
God!
lake.
And you've been fishing. You're so
Yeah.
good. Now you need some food and hot.
Yes, yes, yes. All right, see ya.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Thanks. Bye bye. Oh, you're a hot dog.